Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the general workflow of the automatic wrapping machine. After clicking the start button, the conveyor will transport the goods to the wrapping station, where the packaged goods enter the packaging area. The wrapping machine starts according to the preset parameters on the touchscreen. It rotates around the steadily moving goods through the vertical rotation system. At the same time, it adjusts the tension of the packaging material through the stretching mechanism to securely wrap the object as a whole. After completing the wrapping process, the device automatically cuts the film. The goods are transported out of the wrapping area, and the wrapping is completed. It can be seen that the surface of the object is tightly and aesthetically wrapped. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.